back from Walgreens and I found so many new slime and fidget toys, so let's get into a haul. I had no idea Walgreens had amazing new slime and fidget toys, so here are a few of the ones I got today. Well, all the ones I got today. I first got these new fidget blocks. These seemed so cool. They remind me of these squishy like fidget toys I already have, which are these ones right here, and I love them so much, and the fact I found these is so awesome. So I'm gonna have to do a separate video on these, but I got both of them and they were $2.99, I believe, maybe $3.99. I then picked up this like squishy egg. It's an Easter one. Let's see how it is. Here's the egg. It's super stiff actually. I feel like it's like a putty like material in here. Wow, it's actually pretty cool. And this was, I think, $1.99. Oh my gosh, wait, I got 3 of them. This is another fidget blocks. I forgot all about that one. Then I also got this squishy. Let's see how this one is. We can just do this in this video. I got this and it's an orange one and it's actually pretty nice. Wow. And this squishy was $2.99 as well. And then my favorite thing I found for $2.99 are these Easter putties. I'm so shocked with this find. They were $2.99. Like I said, I got it in the strawberry one and the cotton candy one, and they are so cool. They have charms and they have little like female slices as well. But that's everything I picked up from Walgreens. I really hope you guys like this haul today. Stay tuned for me opening up the slimes and the fidget toys. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.